Hi guys, it's Screamots here with another tutorial for DNB Academy. Today I want to kind of look at the new PS2 jungle revival scene, which I'm kind of a big fan of, and I kind of wanted to show how to go about using those pads so you don't always have to use these kind of old school sample packs, which are nice, you know. I'm not saying I don't use them myself either, but it's very nice to just be able to create similar soundscapes on your own, and you get more control because you can obviously make chord changes as well and not just have one hovering chord all the time, which I also really like because I like progressions where the chord stays the same but the basses change the vibe of the tune. I like doing those. So today I'm going to show you how I would approach making such a pad, and I think the most important part is basically making a chord that fits with that aesthetic. So I chose a G sharp major scale or minor and major, and it sounds something like this. If you just put it into Serum, you can really use any synth you like, because the biggest secret, I say, is to just put a lot of reverb on it. So I would maybe even start with some Valhalla Room, go to the big spaces, choose Bright System for example, and just listen to how it sounds. And I think that already sounds quite nice, but there's a lot of ways we can enhance that and make that even more dreamy sounding. For example, you could make this kind of like wavy type of sound, like it's waves on a beach, having the white noise of the synth come in and out, like so. And I also love doing that in a more extreme way, maybe in the beginning or maybe in the end, let it go completely down, almost completely, and then build up again. And then, for example, at this point, I always really like to, if I really like the chord and I don't want to lose it because I don't want to find it again later, I will just duplicate that and then freeze and flatten this pad for now, because we got enough space now for it to run out, and that way we don't have that constant reverb in our ears, which can be annoying after a while. What I really like using for this type of sound is like a typical phaser sound. And I think this Phases from Native Instruments already does it justice. This typical phasing sound is really fitting for that vibe of drum bass. Already makes you feel of like a PS2 kind of game, like a Wipeout type of loading screen. Really like that. You can further enhance this vibe by cutting even more of these highs and adding another filter to that. And maybe slowly building that up. add a little bit of chorus. I also really like that choral from Native Instruments as well. Could even add a flanger. I really like that. And then maybe a little bit of a redux. A bit of a delay that goes from ear to ear. Can even add some light panning certain parts, because that's also seems to be quite popular. Then to wash it all out once more, maybe a little bit of shimmer. Oh yeah, and I think another cool idea would be to add a little bit of erosion to emulate a little bit of a vinyl crackle noise. And yeah, now you've created your very own, very nice jungle PlayStation 2 type drum and bass ambient pad, and I think it sounds really nice and nostalgic, and these are just some simple tricks to achieve that. Yeah, I hope you liked that video, guys, and see you in the next one.